Yo, hello my friends, how are you? How are you feeling? Have some news, good news with MMT? Huh? No? Yes? Yeah! And I have, yes, look at this, Yeah, once again. Most popular Yaris diesel, yeah. And what today? What do you think? Clutch actuator? No. Gears actuator? No. But what? This one. TCM. Okay. And today I will show you on practice what is the difference between the oldest version and newest version TCM. It really, I checked on one Corolla, I have video, and now I have this Yaris, and we will see how it changed, how it go. Let's look at this. I have just a moment. So we have Yaris diesel 5-speed transmission, left-hand drive. In left-hand drive cars in Yaris, the TCM is located, you see, don't need to remove the full dashboard. And also the speedometer, this panel, this one screw, and this is the TCM on left-hand drive. On the right-hand drive, TCM also located, but not in this area. It located under the glove box. Like you open it, but on this side, and it's on this way. Okay. So on the left-hand drive, it's under the dash. On the right-hand drive, it's under above the glove box. Okay, so let's connect and we will see. And now it has the oldest version. It's 0 on the end. 0. Version number 1. That was first version of MMT. Now let's start the car and we will see how it going. What happens. You will see it's no help on start. It's jerking. Let's go. Now I'm put the drive and look at this. Look. I'm release the brake and it's not moving. You see? When I put little gas, it start to moving. And it's how I will show you. Reverse. It's jerking. Oh, you see? There's no gas. Back. Dig. So it's moving like jig. And now let's install another TCM. This one. I refreshed it. This TCM, look at this. This TCM, not 16, it's 62. Let's install it. It's very easy, very. You see, 1, 2, 3. This is the oldest version, 16. Now I will install this one that I refreshed it. Okay. Let's start the car. It already calibrated. I calibrate this already calibrated and this. What happens? I'm on reverse. And now look at this. Look, I'm put the E. I'm release the brake with no gas. It start moving by himself and no any jerking. Reverse. You see? Hop. I put brake, release the brake. It start moving. Oh, I have little angle. Oh, it start. You see, with no gas. And if I will put little gas, moment. Drive. Reverse. Gas. It's working different. It's no jerking. It's moving by himself with no gas when I release the brake. So this version is much more better. That's all. So if you want to refresh your TCM, I can do it. I can refresh your TCM to oldest version, to newest version. Yes, to newest. And wow, look at this. Hey, опа. Опа. Very good. Very tasty. So you got it? If you want, call me, message me. I'm online. Thank you.